Every security detail is meticulously verified. Advanced technology ensures flawless execution. The quality checks on the 500 series are stable.
Good. Let's increase the throughput on line 3.
Performance metrics are optimal across the board.
Confirmed. We are running smoothly.
All security features are verified.
This batch is cleared.
We produce millions of high-quality notes daily.
Every note undergoes rigorous quality checks. This batch meets all security standards, precision guaranteed in every detail.
The alignment on this batch is absolutely perfect.
Inside the Epic factory, precision meets production. Every security applied, sheets are cut and stacked flawless of how money is made.